back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you the 3 important books which are my personal favorites and which I read whenever I have time. So let us quickly begin. The first book in the series is by Louise Hay, You Can Heal Your Life. This book is all about positive affirmations, your approach towards life, how you should deal with your situation. It's all about being positive in relationship, in at workplace, at any type of problem which you are facing. You should be positive. It brings a holistic healing approach which clears your mind and declutters your mind. It actually helps you to debunk the mindset which you have grown up with, and it brings so much of positivity and so much of energy in your life that whenever I am feeling low and whenever I feel that I require some kind of energy, I just go to my bookshelf and refer to this book. It's You Can Heal Your Life. The second book which has changed me completely is by Daniel Shediak, Who Says You Can't, You Too. It is such a lovely book. It's a complete rereader, no repetition at all. The stories mentioned in this book you can completely relate to yourself, and इसमें जो भी बताया गया है मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये रियल लाइफ में होता है, and that is why I feel that I can relate to this book. It is like a mini atom bomb for me, and it is always there in my purse because I feel that whenever I'm stuck up in a situation, I take a quick reference and then I go ahead and take a decision. It's all about being persistent, taking actions, the action plan, the mysteries of life, the happiness of life, and how you should live every day. The reason why it is called present is it's because you should stop worrying about future. You should not feel anxious about it, and it is so beautifully mentioned that I have completely fallen in love with this book. It's a complete rereader by Daniel Shediak. And the third book which connects me to my supernatural power is Adi Yogi by Sadhguru. It is such a beautiful book about Shiva that it feels that Shiva is there within me, guiding me like a angel, and I feel that you can approach in such a calm and in a such a peaceful manner that it changes your perception completely. In this book, Sadhguru has mentioned everything about Shiva, right from his birth to his changes in life and his relationship with goddess Parvati. Everything has been mentioned. The importance of emptiness, the science of sound, the dance of light, everything has been mentioned. It actually brings your consciousness awareness to that extent where you can feel that I can connect to the supernatural powers, the cosmos which is there in my mind. I can connect myself to it. It's Adi Yogi by Sadhguru. So these are the 3 books which I think that everyone should read. They are quite motivational and inspirational to read, to keep yourself positive and keep yourself charged up. So hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to like and share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Till that time, stay safe and stay indoors. Bye bye.